Consider the following 32-bit size binary number. It's a combination of zeros and ones and zeros. At the end of it, we write a letter B to distinguish it from any other decimal possible number. Each digit is called bit, and a bit can have values of 0 or 1. The very right-hand side bit is called low bit, and the very left-hand side bit is called a high bit. 8 bits build a byte, while 4 bits will be called a nibble. 2 bytes, that is 16 bits in total, are called word. So in this example we have 4 bytes but 2 words. Two words, that is in total 32 bits, will build a double word. Double word will contain 32 bits, that is 2 words or 4 bytes. Word itself is 16 bits size. It contains 2 bytes. Byte is 8-bit size. Contains 2 nibbles, and nibble it's 4 bits. And a bit itself